The comparison between Mahatma Gandhi and Muhammad Ali Jinnah as politicians is a complex one, shaped by their differing ideologies, goals, and the historical context in which they lived. Both are central figures in the history of the Indian subcontinent, and their contributions had profound effects on the future of India and Pakistan. To better understand who might be considered the best politician, we must explore their backgrounds, philosophies, political actions, and legacies. Mahatma Gandhi, the architect of nonviolent resistance. Mahatma Gandhi, 1869 to 1948, is often remembered as the father of the Indian independence movement. His political ideology and tactics were deeply rooted in nonviolence, ahimsa, truth, satya, and the concept of self-reliance, Swadeshi. Gandhi's approach to politics was not just about achieving independence from British colonial rule, but also about transforming society at its core, promoting social justice, unity, and religious harmony. Nonviolent resistance, Satyagraha. Gandhi's signature political strategy was Satyagraha, which emphasized nonviolent resistance to injustice. Through peaceful protests, strikes, and civil disobedience, he mobilized millions of Indians against British rule. The Salt March, 1930, and the Quit India Movement, 1942, are two iconic examples of his peaceful resistance. Inclusiveness and unity. Gandhi believed in the unity of all religious and cultural groups in India. Despite the rise of communal tensions, especially between Hindus and Muslims, Gandhi stressed the need for a united India. He sought to bridge the gap between different religious communities, advocating for Hindu-Muslim unity. He even went as far as fasting to end communal violence. Social reform. Gandhi also focused on social issues such as untouchability, the caste system, promoting education, and advocating for the empowerment of women. His principles of simplicity and self-sufficiency, symbolized by his promotion of hand-spinning and the use of khadi, were aimed at strengthening India's rural economy and preserving its cultural identity. Opposition to partition. Gandhi was fundamentally against the partition of India. He believed that division along religious lines would lead to violence and disintegration. His vision for India was of a secular, democratic nation where all communities could coexist peacefully. Legacy of Gandhi. Gandhi's leadership inspired movements for civil rights and independence across the world, from the U.S. civil rights movement led by Martin Luther King Jr. to the anti-apartheid movement in South Africa. His emphasis on nonviolence and truth left a lasting impact on global political thought. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the founder of Pakistan. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, 1876 to 1948, was a towering figure in the history of South Asia, particularly in the creation of Pakistan. As the leader of the All India Muslim League, Jinnah's political actions and decisions played a pivotal role in the partition of India in 1947, which resulted in the formation of Pakistan as a separate Muslim-majority nation. His political career is characterized by his strong commitment to the rights and aspirations of Muslims in India. The demand for a separate Muslim state. Initially, Jinnah was a member of the Indian National Congress, INC, and a proponent of Hindu-Muslim unity. However, as he became disillusioned with the INC's leadership under Gandhi, he turned to the Muslim League, advocating for the creation of a separate state for Muslims. He argued that Muslims, as a distinct religious and cultural community, could not be guaranteed justice and equality in a Hindu-majority India. Two-nation theory. Jinnah's most significant political idea was the two-nation theory, which posited that Hindus and Muslims were distinct nations with their own customs, religion, and traditions, and thus needed separate states. Jinnah believed that without a separate homeland, Muslims would always be politically and culturally marginalized in a united India dominated by Hindus. Political leadership and negotiation. Jinnah was a master negotiator and a pragmatic politician. He played a crucial role in securing political power for the Muslim community in India, first through his leadership of the Muslim League and later through his advocacy for the partition of India. His leadership was instrumental in pushing for the Lahore Resolution, 1940, which called for the creation of Pakistan. Secular vision for Pakistan. Although Jinnah is often portrayed as the founder of a Muslim state, he envisioned Pakistan as a modern, democratic state where all religions and communities would be treated equally. In his famous speech to the Constituent Assembly of Pakistan in 1947, Jinnah emphasized that religion should have no place in the affairs of